Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on this YouTube video for the review of the Chicago Electric Orbital Jigsaw. This is actually my third one, and the reason for the review is because the first two I couldn't get the blade to go in properly. As you can see, this blade is in nice and snug. First of all, you have to get this little thing out. You pull those two sides out, and then it opens up. Alright, now I'm pulling on this blade, and it's nice and snug, fits the right way. Actually, that sucker just popped right out. Hope that doesn't happen when we're sawing. Alright, so to put it in there, push it back, and it slips in. It just slipped in nice and perfectly. You can see this angles back to the way that it's supposed to. And plug it in. I like my fingers. And I should have already done this, but put that guard back. Set it on, there's a wheel, goes from 1 to 6. I'm just going to crank it up and show you how it cuts. It's not cutting very fast, but could be the wrong blade, could be because it's slipping a little bit, not sure why, but all in all, the saw seems fine. Just be careful, do not leave the store without making certain that the blade will stick in and stay. Like I said, this is my third one. Now I'm satisfied. Okay, good luck.